Feels like I'm drowning, invisible, 'cause you can see me in the shadows.
Welcome back to my channel. It's Myra, and if you're new, please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share my channel. And if you've been here before, welcome back. So today I'm going to redo the eyebrow tutorial because I was looking back and I was looking at the one that I uploaded and it was really bad. One eyebrow was like way thicker than the other one, and I don't know, I was really tired. I just wanted to get a video up, you know, I was tired from radiation, so it definitely wasn't my best. So I'm gonna redo it, and I hope that you guys like this one better. So let's just go ahead and get started. Start with the bottom of the brow. So I just take some of the product and start underlining the bottom part. And then I grab some more and then I start doing the top part. And notice that I am not touching the front part at all, because we wanna, at least what I do is I try to get like kind of like the faded effect. So then we keep going like that, and then you fill in the inside with hair like strokes. Okay, I'm back. I closed the windows because there was a neighbor who's like doing his lawn or something, and the noise was literally killing me. Okay, so moving on. So I just outlined the bottom and the top of the eyebrow, and now I'm brushing a spoolie brush throughout just to kind of like disperse the product throughout the brow. And then notice that I did not touch the front of it at all, and I'm not planning to. Unless you have very sparse eyebrows kind of in the front and you kind of want to draw a little bit of the hairs at the front, in that case it's fine. You just have to be careful not to overdraw them, like not make them too harsh. You're gonna do the same thing to the other side. So I'm grabbing some of the it's L'Oreal. Some of the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Glow Concealer, but you can take whatever concealer you want. And then I'm just gonna outline the bottom part to just make them more defined.
We had a dream, we were sipping whiskey neat, highest floor of the Bowery, and I was high enough.
I've been drowning in love, lost in the rush, faded just like I'll help you up.
Running red eyes in the night, like a panther out of sight. Gonna sing my battle cry, because I am the. She don't see how perfect, she don't understand. She's worth it, all that beauty goes deeper than the surface. Don't be.
And then I usually take foundation to underline or like to line the top of the eyebrow, but this concealer is pretty much almost the same color as my skin. It didn't go too light, as a foundation, so I'm just gonna go ahead with this one. But normally I suggest, if you're using a lighter concealer on the eyelid, to use foundation to do the top instead of concealer, because it's gonna give it a more natural look and it's much easier to blend out. So just do the same thing.
More bounce, bounce, bounce.
Are you ready for it?
Bounce in the motherfucking house. More bounce in the motherfucking house.
Hey, you got me like a bird, that's girl. Get that ass in the bed, I'm alive.
I'm feeling sexual, so we should be sexual.
I understand why you're so cold. 5 a.m. and I'm on the radio. I'm supposed to call you, but I don't know what to say at all.
No, mama, you never shed tear, cause you have been set things year after year. And you give the youth love beyond compare. You find the school fee and the bus fare.
It so hurts. It so hurts.
And then okay, so now that we outlined both of the brows with concealer and made them more defined, I'm just gonna grab whatever's left of the concealer or the foundation in it and just kind of blend in the part in the middle, just like so. Like I said, don't touch I didn't touch the front at all. Okay guys, so that's it for the eyebrow tutorial. I hope that this one is better than the other one. They're definitely a lot more even now. The other one, I don't know what happened. Sorry guys, I was so tired. But thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and share my channel. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.
I pull up straight to the club and they all show me love, and we all on me gente. They keep on asking for liquor and bitches, they want me, they all compliment.